Clay animation with frames. Project goals. To create a simple stop-motion animation with frames, to plan a stop-motion animation movie, to create a cast of characters using clay. Where will your animation take place? You will build a background using clay, paper, or another medium and use frames to insert backgrounds too. Chroma key is a technique that allows you to insert a digital background into your video. Claymation production step for success. Plan careful, sketch out your scenes on paper, organize your equipment and team, make your characters and backdrop, plan and shoot the individual scenes for your movie, add music and sound effects. Fun aspect. Sometimes we forget our project and we had fun making figures with clay. Spending time on the project was very easy. We learned many new ones playing. Here is some pictures about our project. This is our video. Thank you for your attention.